Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Blender in your Windows device. For this, go to Start. Now go to Microsoft Store, and after that search for Blender here. You will see a lot of versions. Choose your desired one. Then first check the system requirements. It's okay. Now click on this install button here. Blender offers tools for your projects from start to end, including video editing to make the final edit. I'm skipping the installing part. Our installing is finished. Now open the app. Here is our Blender app. So what you have to do first is go to start again, right click on Blender app and click more, pin to taskbar. That will help you to next time start it from your taskbar. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.